Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen essentials. With a spotlight on what many are calling the best nonstick cookware set available in the market, the CAROTE 11 PCs Pots and Pan Set. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, this set promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. So, let's get cooking and see what this set is all about. First off, the CAROTE set includes 11 pieces, all boasting a sleek cream white finish. What stands out immediately is the detachable or removable handle feature, making it incredibly versatile and space efficient. Perfect for those with limited kitchen space or for avid RV travelers. Let's go through each item. We have various sizes of fry pans, saucepans, a deep frying pan, and essential glass lids. The non-stick granite material not only looks elegant but promises a fuss-free cleaning experience. Plus, these pans are oven-safe, adding to their versatility. Now, let's talk about these detachable handles. The idea here is to save up to 70% more space in your cupboard. I'm going to demonstrate how easily these handles click off and on. This feature is a game changer for storage and functionality. Let's put these pans to the test. I'll start with a basic egg, a true test for any nonstick surface. Look at that, it slides right off, no sticking at all. And cleanup? Just a quick wipe. Next, let's try something a bit more challenging. Notice how evenly the heat distributes, cooking our dish perfectly. This set has garnered impressive ratings online, particularly for its lightweight design and heat distribution. Users also appreciate its value for money. However, it's important to note some advice from the reviews. Avoid cooking with the handles attached to extend their lifespan. The CAROTE set is compatible with all stoves, including induction. For care, it's recommended to use neutral detergents and avoid abrasive materials to maintain the nonstick surface. In summary, the CAROTE 11 PCs Pots and Pan set stands out for its space-saving design, ease of use, and versatility. It's a fantastic option for both novice cooks and experienced chefs looking for a reliable, nonstick cookware set. Though it's at a higher price point, the quality and features justify the investment. That's all for today's episode on Product Critique. If you're interested in the CAROTE 11 PCs Pots and Pan set, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and critiques. Happy cooking, everyone!